Yes, until I started preparing for entrance exams. It's like everything learned already, which makes studying so much easier.
Oh, totally. The math class are incredible. The smart board in every classroom that really make understanding concepts a breeze.
And the teachers are so responsive. Even after school level, it's such a supportive environment to stay in. We help us balance both academics and fun activities. We are lucky to be here. And don't forget the extracurricular days. I love Wednesday. Easy classes are the best. I, I, they help me focus, admin, and stay active. At SS Magic School, we create opportunities for all young development. Admissions open now.